Good day, everyone. My name is Akinkunwo Michael Toyosi, a Yorùbá tutor with 5 years experience in teaching the language, both online and physical. Here in our class, Mike Yoruba Village, we adapt to each student level, and also we start from daily based sentences. We also teach using everyday conversation for our students in order to make it easy for them. Maybe you are from United States, UK, Canada, Australia, France. Come here and start our Yoruba class. Come and start the journey of Yoruba language with us. Here in our class, we also have ebook for you that will guide and teach you how to pronounce, how to write Yoruba language down. Now, have a taste of what we are doing in our class. Here, when you are saying "ẹ káàárọ̀" in Yoruba language, this is "ẹ káàárọ̀". "Ẹ káàárọ̀" is good morning. Good morning. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàsán, good afternoon. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, good evening. So what are you waiting for? With low price, click the link you are seeing down there. Then let's start the journey together. I am Michael Akinkunwo from Mike Yoruba Village. Let's start the journey of language together. Thank you.